Hey folks, it's Rob with Hotsy. There's been a lot of talk recently about vertical heating coils versus horizontal heating coils. And I want to dispel some of those myths right now. The first one is rainwater getting down inside your coil. Are you really going to leave this investment out in the rain? I don't think so. But if you are, there's a multitude of different caps you can simply put on top of the machine to protect it from rainwater. Simple as that. The second point they make is the componentry. And because the burner on the horizontal style is out on the back, it's easier to service. Hey, you got me there. The burner on the Hotsy's underneath. Now let's talk about all the other components. The pump, the motor, the control box, the belts and the belt guards, all those other components that make up 3/4 of this machine on the Hotsy style machine are right out in the open and easy to get to. On the horizontal style machine, they're buried up underneath. You got to remove panels. You got to get on your hands and knees and crawl under there to get to them and do service work. Number 3, condensation. Anytime you introduce cold water into a hot heating coil, you're going to get condensation. Just like you set your cold glass of iced tea on the table in the summer, you get condensation. What happens on a horizontal style coil? The condensation forms and it drips off that coil and it lays right in the bottom of this machine. You see, this is all just painted steel. What's going to happen to that painted steel when it starts laying in a puddle of water? It's eventually going to rust away and this machine's going to fall apart. On a Hotsy machine with a vertical coil, condensation drips down into the flame and is evaporated. No condensation, no rust, no problems. Last thing I'm going to leave you with is this. How many smokestacks or chimneys have you seen laying on their sides? None. This machine forces the heat horizontal and it forces it to make a 90-degree turn out the top. The Hotsy machine with the vertical heating chamber, the heat comes straight up through, heat rises. This is the most efficient and economical way to heat the water in a pressure washer. Folks, that's what makes Hotsy the best. And that's why Hotsy is what the pros use.